If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. And here's how you make it. Hey guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to make over easy eggs. It's not that hard. What you'll need is a pan with a lid over it, no matter what size it is. A plate, obviously, so you can eat your food, unless you eat it out of a pan, which is kind of weird, but no judging. You're going to need eggs, of course, because we're making eggs. You're going to need pepper, seasoned salt, right there. You're going to need some canola oil or butter or Pam to spray down your pan. And yeah, that's it. And then I'm making toast with mine. It just popped out. I like to use the Biscoff cookie butter with mine, but that's just me. So first you take off the top, and then you gotta spray down the pan. And then I'm gonna set it up on the tripod so you can cook the egg. Okay. So oh crap. I suggest you keep your stove on medium. I messed up and put it on high. Don't fog up my camera. It's a bad idea. Okay, so before it's fully done cooking, you want to season it. Okay. And then, God, this is cooking way too fast. Normally, I like to put my egg in while the pan's still heating up. However, today, I couldn't do that because I already tried to make this video and it ended up really weird with a huge bubble. And I just started over because it didn't look right. So, give that a second. I'm going to come over here, grab my toast. Why is... dang it. My camera's all fogged up. I'll try to fix you guys there. That's better, I guess. Sounds perfect. Then you'll know your egg is ready from the top. It's like that. And then you can just put it over there. And then I always keep my pan on the stove just until it's cooled down so I can wash it. I messed up my egg. It's burnt on the bottom, but that is how you make it. However, always get that top hot, like put it in the microwave for a minute or two, and then while your pan's still cold, put the egg in, and then have it on high so it's heating up your pan. That's how I normally make it, and I just have one, but I messed up the last time I made an egg, and the pan was still hot. So then, I'm starting to finish this video up. I'm gonna put some, oh crap, I just put that on the hot part of the stove. Don't be an idiot like me. That's not very smart. Then just, if you're having toast, put what you want on your toast. Or you could just put the egg in the toast without anything else on it. But this is how I make mine. Don't judge me. And then, I know this looks like peanut butter, but it's not. I don't like peanut butter on my toast. And then, there you have it. Dang it. Some nice over easy eggs with toast. Bye guys, have a good day.